Alright guys, so this is the same hair, the Cambodian wavy, but remember those baby hairs? These baby hairs are like bangs, honey. And I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and turn them into some cute little bangs or whatever. And I also colored it. Let me know what you think of the color in the comment section. So I colored it, and it is in its natural wave. Did not put any heating tool on it. Did not wand it, nothing like that. I colored it on Friday, and I just allowed it to air dry. And today's Sunday, and we're filming today, and we're filming an Amazon baby haul. But I think this will be part 1 because I haven't gotten his gear yet, like his car seat. I have his pack and play, but I don't want to show that yet. That's the only big thing that will have that. I'm not going to show until I get the other stuff. So this is part 1, and this is mostly clothes. First of all, thank you so much to everybody who have already purchased from our Amazon baby registry. The reason why I went the Amazon route is because my mother is away, so it's easy for her to buy stuff for Jaleel. We also, people from my classes, they're asking me, yo Lyric, how can I help, I was like, you know what, let me do an Amazon baby registry. And I was very shy to put it out there, but then I did, and a couple of you guys actually supported the crap out of that, so I'm very happy. I have a special guest helping me today. Jonathan, ready?
Okay. To open the box?
Yep. Here come to take off your Crocs. Okay. Let's get the small ones first, alright?
No, look. This one is the small.
Alright. I need the scissors. Where's the scissors?
I know where's the scissors.
Okay. See there? So this is, it says, hold on. Keep your gift as a surprise. And it actually tells you who it's from. Oh, it's a swaddle blanket. And it is from Marietta D.
Married?
No, Marietta D. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's from Marietta D. So this is,
Mommy.
wait, we don't finish. We need to pull this.
Okay, I want to put it.
Alright, so this is pretty cute. A gift for you. This is nice.
For me?
So no, for Jaleel, but it just reads a gift for you. So open it. Alright, let's see. This bag is nice, huh? Pretty.
Yes, let's open it.
Yeah, pull it. Oh, yes, I remember these. These are actually, so for me, and it's from Amazon, obviously. So for me,
it's squishy.
It's squishy. Oh, so wait, let's pull it and look at it. Hold on. Let's pull out. Which one you want to look at? Which one? Alright. Let's look at this. This is nice. All is gonna have to be washed. Hold on. Let me see. It says bamboo Muslim swaddle blanket. And it's here.
Wow. Mommy, I never know this one. Mommy, I never seen this before.
No, it's the first time I've seen them. You did see it before?
No.
Oh, see, the first time me and you seen them. No, Jonathan, leave it.
Mommy, I want to cut this.
No, don't cut the bag.
Marika, dear. So this is how big it is. Wow. I know. And then
I'm so high.
it is really big.
Yeah, but
Wow.
sometimes I can use it to cover bed and live in cold.
That is true. That's so true. So this is the swaddle. Jonathan, I can put this on the, let me just say it right back here. All right.
Okay, now let's open it.
This one, okay. All right. So this one is
Mommy, look.
from Jacqueline Cujo. Yo, Jacqueline, if you're watching this video, please let me know who you are. Jacqueline Cujo got so much stuff from the registry. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know what this is.
What it is?
Yes, God. Thank you, Jesus. So this is like oh gosh, 100% what's it, bamboo or something like so. But they're like receivers. No, they're burp cloths.
Why?
They're burp cloths, you guys.
Why?
And it's white. I wasn't thinking. So birth cloths, sorry. So that's one. Hold on, Zamar. Do not do that. And then this. What is this?
You know what it is?
No, I'm going to pull it and see.
What's it?
The birth cloth. And oh, this is like, oh my goodness, like a blanket. Oh my god.
Like mine.
It's so soft, you guys.
Like my mommy.
Yeah, like your blanket. Wow. And then
have blanket.
yeah, and then it comes with a little bag, I think, to like to transport it in because it's white. So yeah. Okay. So get another bag. Get this one.
Yes.
Whoops. Alright. So let's see.
Oopsie
Oopsie. I think I know what this is. I think these are the wipes.
No?
I think so. Ah, see? They're the wipes.
Mommy have two wipes for elderly.
So these are the Pampers Pure. And I also got the Pampers Pure diaper. So it's a case, as you guys can see, of Pampers Pure. So it's like 1, 2, 3.
What all of them?
So I think it's 16, a pack of 16 or so. Who is it from? Pass out. Is one people in the box, Mama? So it is from Yannick Plinton. So Yannick, thank you very, very much. And again, it's just a pure Pampers wipes. And I actually have another one of these that I purchased myself, the case. So yeah. So that's that. Give me that one. Give me that one right there. Alright. Oh, I know what this is from.
Can I do it next, please?
Do what?
Cut it.
So this one is from Alicia. She's the owner, CEO of Alinic Boutique on Instagram. And she got Jaleel socks. So she got socks for Jaleel. And she also got these receiving blankets. Oh my gosh. I knew these were on my Amazon list.
Everybody get all of them for me, Jaleel.
Because they really like baby Jaleel and they don't even born it. So I'm so grateful. Oh God, Allah. Because I was worried about receiving blankets. Like, crap, I don't know receiving blankets. I don't have no towel. So I'm going to use the Muslim thing, the white thing that you guys saw, as a towel. And then these are receiving blankets that can be used as towels as well. So thank you, Allah. Alright, Jonathan, give me those bags. That one right there. So see there in front of the pillow.
Can I do it, please?
You do what? Let's cut it. Cut it across.
Okay.
Ready? Come here. Cut it across. Ah! A joke. Alright. Oh my goodness, babes. Babes. And then because who's this from? So this is from, look in the bag if it's any more. This is the paper. Is there any more?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. So this one is from. Oh, give me the bag. It doesn't have a name. Big set. Okay. So it's for. It does not have a name. There's no name on it. So I don't know.
Not that one.
Not yet. So for this bib set, I actually got the bandana ones. I think I got 2 sets of the bandana ones or 1 set. So right. So I got these, but because I read somewhere or saw a video where I know where the bandana one that I got, they don't have the plastic underneath.
Actually, can't trick me. I'll trick you.
And then the drool falls on the clothes same way. So this one is good.
Okay, now let's.
No, I'm not finished. Look how much leaves. The 2 here.
No, I want to cut.
No, they might actually cut the clothes in there.
Wow! Mommy, look, it's not clothes. Wow,
oh my God, it is clothes.
Wow.
You know who got this for baby Jaleel?
Ooh.
Grandma. So my mother bought this for Jaleel because she told me, Simone,
Mommy, look, it's monkey. I like that.
I know, it's a cow. No, look, it's a cow. Mm. So this is so cute, mommy.
Mommy, my cow was scared of rabbits.
I'm not sure, but this is huge.
Yeah, it is huge.
And it's so warm. So
Mommy,
that's for when
Mommy,
we're
see if
traveling.
it can fit me. Yeah, it can, though.
It can fit you?
Yeah.
Watch you know.
See that?
Watch you know.
It can fit me.
Okay. And then mommy also got this. So mommy got clothes.
Wow, that's so kind.
I know, grandma is really kind, don't it?
Yeah, well, when Grandma come over our house again, tell her that she is so kind.
Okay, she is. See?
Yeah.
So this is
Wow.
a set. Oops. So this is the
Mommy, look at
shorts
these.
or the pants. Yeah, and then the hat that goes with the pants. That's cute. And then the shirt. And the shirt says, Mommy's new man.
Mommy's little hat can fit me.
It can. Woo! You look so handsome. Wait, show them what you look like. Show them. You look so handsome.
And I look like a baby.
No. Come, give me that box over there, so. It's heavy?
You know.
Okay. Alright, come sit down with me now. Because they can't see your face. Good.
I can't fit in my face.
Yeah, when you stand up, they can't see your face.
Okay.
Alright. Pull that one. Pull.
Wow, Mommy, I can't believe
Oh,
this.
thank God. My diaper bag came. And it's from mommy. As
Wow.
well, and oh gosh, so everything in here mommy had gotten, but they weren't bundled like this on Amazon. They were separate. But I guess because
Mommy, why are you trying them?
Sorry. See, they don't have no thank you nothing.
Mommy,
But yes.
look, I can't do this. It's for me.
So this is their, it is washcloth, as we call in Jamaica, like a rag for bathing. And then mommy had gotten me this. Everything's from mommy. The net. Yeah, the net to go over his car seat, stroller, crib, whatever. And
whatever I can keep
baby
him
bag.
safe here.
Okay.
And Mommy, I can to press so wow, that's pretty.
I know, it's Jali's baby bag, you know.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes. So
How to pack this?
how? No, don't tear it off. Don't tear it off. No? Thank you. So it's Zuzuro is the name of the brand.
Like Zuri?
Yeah, I guess. And these diaper bags are pretty
Mommy,
popular.
me and Auntie, I'll have a baby too.
Yeah. So I'm going to put in what's in my diaper bag with this, and give me the big box now. Mine. Jonathan, careful.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Jonathan. Hey, come over. Come to me. Come to me. Okay. So this is the bath pan for baby Jaleel. And this is the one that has like the sling.
Mommy, I'm going to sleep, so no way.
Where's the scissors? Where's the scissors? I find it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to keep the bag and actually put it back in the bag. But this is what it looks like. So this, wait, Bubba.
I have a seat.
Here, don't take it off. So this little thing here
Mommy,
is this thing that you
that's
can put. No, not yet. Baby daddy still in my belly. So the sling can be used for newborns because you don't want them to be sliding around. And then as they get older, they no longer need the sling. So it's a bath fan that's practical for him being as young as he will be. And then when he gets older.
And another box too?
No more. We're finished.
No, but there's another box on that?
No, that's called decoration. Yeah.
Yes.
So we're all done. Watch your head. We're finished.
but I want to cut something.
But we're done, Jonathan. If you want to cut something, we're done. We're done.
Yeah, you know, let me have a cut.
Be careful, mind the light. I think this bag is so cute. Alright guys, this is it for this video. This baby Amazon baby haul, and thank you to Jonathan, my little co-host, for helping me to do all these videos. I want to tell them thank you so much to LONGQI for sponsoring this video. I am like, wow, thank you so much, LONGQI. Cambodian Wavy Natural State. And what I did this time around with the hairs, the wigs that I got from LONGQI, because I'm doing so much videos, I wanted to bring guys the hair in like each different state. I love that idea, but let me know if you like that idea or if you just want it to be styled in one particular way. Whichever works for you works for me. This is it for my Amazon baby haul video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.